आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If 1600 is increased by 20% and then reduced by y% yielding 1536, what is y? Okay, so as per this question, first 1600 is increased by 20% and then that increased value is reduced by y%, which yields the number 1536, and we are required to find y. Okay, so starting off with the first step, which mentions that 1600 is increased by 20%. Now 1600 after being increased by 20% will come out to be the number given by 1600 plus 1600 into 20 by 100. Okay, because it is being increased by 20%. Now simplifying this number, first of all cancelling the zeros. Now this is equal to 1600 plus 16 into 20. Now 16 into 20 is 320, and this sum 1600 plus 320 comes out to be 1920. Okay, so 1600 after being increased by 20% comes out to be 1920. Now, as further mentioned in the question, this value is reduced by y%. Okay, so after being reduced by y%, this value will become 1920 minus 1920 into y by 100. Okay, because it has been reduced by y%. And as per the question, after the reduction, the number that is yielded is 1536. That is, this is equal to 1536. Okay, and from this equation we can calculate the required value of y. Okay, so in this equation, taking this term 1920 into y by 100 to the other side and bringing the numbers to one side of the equation, we can write this comes out to be 1920 into y by 100 equal to, now on the other side we already had 1920, hence 1920, and 1536 comes over, which becomes minus 1536. Okay, minus 1536. Now in the left hand side, cancelling the zeros, and this can be written as 192 into y by 10, and on the right hand side, this difference 1920 minus 1536 when calculated using a calculator comes out to be 384. Okay, now finally transferring this 10 and 192 to the right hand side of the equation, we can write y equal to 384 into 10, 384 into 10 divided by 192. Okay, and now this value 384 into 10 divided by 192 when calculated using a calculator comes out to be 20. Okay, so this is our final solution. The value of y has come out to be equal to 20. Okay, so the question asked us to find the value of y, which we have found to be equal to 20. Hence we can conclude that the correct answer is 20.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।